Okay, so this is the top leaf for a Dutch door that I made for my wife, and it has some issues. These holes here are where I tried to get this dummy handle right here attached and hit this OSB insert that they put in these factory doors, and apparently it stops just short of where I put the handle, the center of the handle. I'm gonna have to chisel this OSB out, so I'm probably just gonna start with a drill and a Forstner bit and just hog this out as much as I can. Then I'll come back with some chisels and smooth out the inside of this. Then I have to make an insert for this that will come down past these. Alright, so this little gap right here where I clamped the hell out of this thing when I made it, so I probably just squeezed all the glue out right there. So I brushed it, so I know there was glue there, but I probably just squeezed it out, or just now broke that glue joint. This is just little MDF with like a 1/28 inch thick veneer on it. I mean, you can't even see the veneer, all you can see is the MDF. So this veneer is insanely thin. So I probably just cracked this glue joint right here messing with it. But I've got it cleaned out. Got a little narrower chisel. Get this cleaned up a little bit. So now I just need to make an insert that fits this, and it's got to be a pretty tight fit, otherwise you may see it in the door. Alright, so this is just a scrap piece of 2x4, so I'm going to rip off the radius edges, and I'm going to try to do it removing as little material as possible, because this 3.5 inches is only slightly larger than the opening I'm trying to fill. So like I said in the beginning, this is a the top leaf of a Dutch door, and it's actually not finished. I still have to paint the Dutch doors. I've made a couple of these, and I will be making another one, and there'll be a video on it. So you guys will get to see a video of how I made these Dutch doors. Just trying to make sure as many of these holes get covered up, and I want both screws to be in the wood that I've inserted. Alright. I've made 2 of these. I will be making a third, and I'll do a video of the third one. Until then, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do.